Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Giorgio Armani perfume unboxing. The first thing that you get when you buy a large perfume are these 3 samples of the Gioia perfume. I just bought one perfume, but it came with 2 other miniature ones. This one is the My Way perfume. This one is super cute. I really love their perfumes. Like, I'm obsessed with like all of them, and they last the whole entire day. Next free one I got was this one. This is the Absolute, and I'm so excited for this one. I think this one's like a men's one. The little bottle, and it's actually a spray. And now for the best perfume in the whole entire world, well, my opinion. It's like my favorite perfume ever, so I had to get the largest size. My mom yelled at me because I spent so much money on perfumes, but this one is so worth your money. You should definitely try this. This perfume is literally amazing. Like, I cannot say how much I love it. There it is. Actually, I think the miniature of this perfume is cuter because the large one, yeah. I'm gonna grab the mini. Here it is. This is what got me hooked on this perfume. I actually got this miniature from a set from Sephora, and after I used this for the first time, like, I was obsessed. It was crazy. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and remember to join my giveaway.